In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini 3 Pro in Base44 quick tutorial. Let's get started by heading straight to the Base44 app. Open your preferred browser and go to app.base44.com. Using a modern, up-to-date browser will give you the smoothest experience. Once the app loads and you're signed in, make sure you're looking at the Builder interface. That's the main workspace where you assemble and manage your components. If you're coming from a dashboard or project list, open the project you want to work on so the Builder is visible and ready. Inside the Builder, focus on the toolbar where you typically add new elements. Look for the plus icon you use to create or insert items. Right next to that plus icon, you should see the Gemini option. This could appear as an icon, a small label, or a menu that references Gemini. That's your entry point to the Gemini features within Base44. Click it to open the Gemini panel or navigation. If you're working in a compact layout and can't spot it right away, give the toolbar a second to load or expand, then check again around the plus icon area. The Gemini control is positioned nearby to be easy to find as you build. If the Gemini option isn't showing on your screen, don't worry. That usually means your current plan doesn't include access to Gemini 3 Pro. On plans that support it, the option appears right there in the Builder. On plans that don't, it may be hidden or grayed out. This is expected behavior and simply indicates you'll need the right level of access to proceed. When the plan is eligible, you'll see Gemini listed as an available model and can interact with it directly from the Builder. To enable Gemini 3 Pro and take control over which AI model you're using, choose the Upgrade option presented in the interface. This will walk you through selecting a plan that unlocks Gemini 3 Pro. Review the details so you pick what fits your workload and budget. After you complete the upgrade, return to the same spot in the Builder next to the plus icon, open the Gemini menu again, and select Gemini 3 Pro as your model. From there, you can start using it in your workflow right away. If you see any prompts to confirm or save, go ahead and apply those changes so your selection sticks. A quick tip: switching models can influence quality, speed, and cost. So pick Gemini 3 Pro when you need top-tier reasoning and generation. That's it. You've navigated to Base44, found the Gemini control in the Builder, understood why it might be hidden, and upgraded to unlock Gemini 3 Pro